it. Right, guys?
Of course, we'll find all your cars.
Wait for us here. We will be quick. I need my cars! Where are we going to find all these cars?
I think we should split up.
Great idea! Where are you going?
We're finding Alex's cars.
Can I join you? Sure, you can.
1, 2, 3. I wonder where those cars can be. Oh my. Oh, this duck is so cute.
Hey, stop hugging. That's not why you're here.
Oh, that's right. I completely forgot. I have to look for the cars. They might be in these pools.
Ha!
Let's get to poppin'. I don't see any cars here. Let's check the next one. No cars here either. Maybe the cars in the Orbeez. No, not here. Let's check the next one. Ooh. Is this foam or shaving cream? The car is here! Woo! I found the car! Oh, but it's so dirty. I have to do something. Yeah! This will do! Now it's done. I have to hurry up and get this thing to Alex. Alex, I found your car.
Thank you. Where are those cars? I wonder what's inside. I got it! I have to pull the sticks out to get the balls falling. Let's do it! It's working! The car! The final one! I have to get it back to Alex. Alex, here's your yellow car. Thank you very much, Maria. You're welcome. Such pretty boxes. Do you hear that? Something is inside. What is this? It's a snake! No. Now the second one. What? No. Yucky. Slime! Cool, but it's not what I'm looking for. Let's check this one. I found something. Yes, I did it. Let's bring it back to Alex. Alex, here is your car. Great! to find that cars. Let's check these pools. Nothing here. Let's try number 2. No car in here. Let's try again. No car in here. Let's check the blue one. Okay, let's check it. I found it. Alex will be happy. Yay! All the cars are here! Yay!
Always help each other out.
Woohoo! Aha! Hello! Woohoo! My color is red.
Wow!
My color is yellow.
My color is green. Yeah!
What should we do with these dolls?
Let's check it out. Maybe there are clues what to do next. Oh, yes. Let's begin.
Bedtime. Put the babies to bed.
Okay, let's find the cribs.
I found it. It's green.
I found yellow.
Yeah. Mine is red. Let's find out what's next.
Dinner time. Feed all the babies.
Okay, let's do it. The first one is here. Finally. Let's get it over with. I found the last one. Oh, yes. Are you hungry? One more baby's fed. Last one. Ew. Time for change.
Let's spin. Wow.
Babies need to pee. Put them on the pots.
Okay. The first one is red.
Yeah.
The second one is yellow. I found it. The last one is green. Go, go, go!
Hey.
Do you think I'm not watching? Let's do one more thing. Wow! Now we need to put on diapers. Let's start. Almost done. Done. Ew. Ew. Ew, what is this? This doesn't look like pee.
Let's go!
Okay.
Dress up the babies.
Sounds pretty easy. Let's go! Let's find it. The first one is red case. Let's do this. Let's find another one. Second one is yellow case. Found it. Last one is green case. Oh, yes! So tiny socks. Well, I don't think that's my size. Oh, yes! Wow, it suits you well. Time for the second one. Go, go, go! Wow, wow, wow. I think you need a baby hat. Time for shoes. Last but not least. Wow! So cute. Such a cool bag. Final touches. All done. Last challenge.
Make a playground for the babies.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go, go, go! I found it.
Let's find mine. I found it.
I found it. Wow. What's there? Wow. Red toys.
Wow. Let's decorate the pools.
Woohoo! Yeah.
no, no, no! No, 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 no! No, 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 no!
Easy done.
Surfing on balls challenge.
Wow, look what I found! It's a red surfboard!
Yeah!
Woo! I got the green surfboard. I got the blue one surfboard. I got the yellow boards. Ivan, now watch the real pro.
Real pro, yeah!
Holy guacamole! Ivan, look! Dasha and Alex almost completed the challenge! Yahoo! Yay! That was easy peasy! Wow! Surfing did not go well for us, but we have to get to the end of the pool.
Yes, are you ready to lose again, sister?
Well, we'll see, brother.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, sister! Go, sister! Go, sister! Go, brother! Go, brother! Go, 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 go!
Okay, draw. It was actually more harder than expected.
Yeah.
Hey guys, look what I found! It's a fire truck!
Wow! I also need to check. Wow! Blue car!
I know! Guys, let's launch our cars from our towers to the pool!
Ha! Bingo!
Cool! I'm next! Let's go! It was fun, but all the cars jumped at the balls. What about this dinosaur? Ooh, such a beast!
Are you kidding? It's gonna take ages.
Ivan, patience, please.
5 years later.
Faster!
It takes too long. We have a tea break. Wow, teapot.
Ha!
A cup. One more plate.
Yay!
Ready for my tea break.
Hey!
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 Huh?
Guys, I think there's something in the boxes. Guys? I think they ran away. Okay, I'll find out what's in the boxes by myself. Wish me good luck. I know what to do.
I'm Superman!
Wow, Superman.
Let's play a game.
Sure.
Wow, look. I bet you can't pop all the blue balloons without touching a logo.
I bet you I can.
Let's try it.
Aha!
Count 4 steps.
3, 4.
4 steps. Watch this.
Nice shot!
Power!
Wow!
Yeah!
I can't believe my eyes! I need to train my shoes right now!
Wow. What's inside? Hello.
Help me to get out of here!
Wow.
It's me, 4! Let's play a game! Dasha, please,
Help me to break all the balloons!
No. I have special hammers for you.
Let's break the blue one.
Okay, let's go!
Blue.
You are doing great!
Cool.
Very good, Dasha! Try yellow!
Yellow.
Whoa! Wow!
And now red. Wow. Red.
And now the last one!
Green. Green.
Oh my god, Thor! Oh my god! Yeah! Wow! Thanks for your help! 3, 2, 1!
Let's smash Spider-Man box.
Oh no! Ivan, please help me to get them back. You have to sort out bugs and spiders.
This might be useful. It works! Okay, but where do I put them? Okay, let's start. Done.
My turn. Ah, it's Hulk. Ah! Wow. I'm so strong like Hulk.
You'll need to break down the walls.
I need Hulk superpowers. I did it! Whoa! Mystery boxes! I guess it's something cool in there. Let's find out. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1. Huh?
Where is the superhero?
Maybe I will be lucky. Well, maybe we'll be lucky next time. Which box should I break? Of course, Harley Quinn. Wow, real Harley Quinn bats. Wow, that's a match game.
In this game, you have to open all the boxes. In one turn, you can open only 2 boxes. If the figures don't match, then close the boxes. If the figures match, the boxes are left open. Good luck!
All clear, let's go. Yeah, first weird. Hopefully, I get lucky this time. Yay!
Let's go.
Yay! I matched them again. Harley Quinn and 2 Harleys, my favorite. I want to try one more. Whoa! It's a real Batman.
Hi, Maria. I've got a gift for you.
Guess in which hand?
I think right.
Right. Ta-da!
Yes. It's empty.
Wow. Yes.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Let's see what's inside. Whoa! It's a Batman wand. Batmobile. Bat cocktail. Cool stuff. I'll keep it.
Oh, yes.
There's only one box left. Let's open it together.
Aha.
We're superheroes now.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes. Yeah. Let's go.
Ivan, Maria, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be doing your homework. Are you babies?
Yes, we are babies.
Okay. Today you have to do what baby Alex does.
Yeah, cool. Wow, it's raining balls.
Wow, it's spring toys.
Lunchtime.
I want pizza.
And I want ice cream.
What's that? I want pizza.
Me too.
Huh?
Only healthy food for the babies.
Okay.
Study time.
Oh no, I don't want to study. I want to play.
Don't worry. We'll do it easy peasy. It's for babies. 1, 2, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1.
C A S A C S.
Sleep time.
Eh? Huh? Huh? Huh?
No, that's too much.
All the babies take a nap after studying.
to ride this bicycle.
Let's try the car.
What is this?
I don't like this.
We're tired of being babies. I want to be us again.
No problem. You can go and do your homework.
Yes, homework.
Great job!
Kids, enjoy all your moments of the childhood.